big story, and this is really about, well, something that's not even legal yet, cryptocurrency. It's something which has got lakhs of Indian investors already because it's in a grey area. And with news coming in of the government possibly banning it, there was complete panic last night. But Sonal and Akhilesh have the latest on what's happening right now. And Akhilesh, first to you on what the government is actually thinking, because the panic spread after a draft note which said that the government would ban all digital currencies. What is the government saying now, Akhilesh?
Well, we have two models, Sonia. One is El Salvador, where it has been adopted as a legal currency, legal tender, and of course the people, they were on the street protesting government's decision. And on the other hand, we have China's model, where they have completely banned the cryptocurrency, but it still it has penetrated through the dark net. So we have what the government sources are telling us, that we have to adopt a middle path. Neither the El Salvador model, neither the China model, but a middle path has to be adopted. And as far as the draft is concerned, the government sources are telling us that the discussion is at the advanced stage. It has not been finalized yet, and in fact today's cabinet meeting, it was expected to be moved, but there was no draft which was moved to before the cabinet. And the sources are also telling us that the cryptocurrency is very important, and India wants to have its own digital currency, which is provided in the bill. The RBI is going to launch its own digital currency, but the private cryptocurrencies will not be banned as such, because India wants to use this technology, but in what shape and in what form, that is to be discussed yet. And it will not be a legal tender, but it can be an asset, which is what the government sources are telling us. But they are not in hurry. They are saying that the draft is still being worked out, and it is not finalized yet when it will be put before the cabinet.
Thanks, Akhilesh. So, Sonal, some much needed clarity there coming, that the B word or the ban word is not something which has really been put out there yet by the government, and there's been some talks. Now, what are you hearing? Because of course you're on the crypto beat, perhaps our millennial anchor reporter on the crypto beat. What are you hearing from your industry sources? And the fact really, I think that still amazes so many of us, that so many people are investing in something which is not legal tender.
It's not legal yet, but it's regulated, and regulated is the word the industry is also talking about so much, Sonia, as of this moment. And what NDTV can also report, what Akhilesh has also been saying as of this moment, is not a ban, but regulation is what is being looked at. But let's just rewind 24 hours. Just about this time yesterday, we got the news for the first time that the crypto bill, we didn't know in what form really it's going to be, was going to be tabled, was part of the list that came out from Lok Sabha. Now, that really spread a lot of panic because it mentioned the word ban in it. Now, what exactly happened in the information we now have really is the fact that this is an older version of the bill that has actually been put out. This is the bill that was crafted in 2019, but India has had quite a journey since then, and we are now not looking at a ban, not looking at what RBI said, taking into note what the Supreme Court also said while removing that ban, and working towards regulation. Key things that NDTV can report as of this moment. Like Akhilesh said, it will be an asset class, not a legal tender. Meaning, cryptocurrency is not here actually to replace your rupee or INR or US dollar or anything of that sort. This is here as an asset for people to invest in, and a technology that will really leap forward India in the coming times as well. Something that the Prime Minister has also agreed with. At the moment, the industry feels that they've got all good feelers and a thumbs up from the government, at least so far. But on the fine print of who will regulate, how will it actually work? Will SEBI come into the picture, or will RBI? All those things yet to be finalized. But all eyes at the moment on what happens next. Remember, the parliamentary panel has already met on this. And very soon, they will actually have people from the government of India come and depose in front of them. And that will be another day filled with crypto headlines for you and I.
Thanks so much, Sonal.